Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. This is my R32. We're going to be doing some mods. I've done a few mods, but this is one of the mods I'm going to record for you guys to see. And if there's anything else you guys want to see, do mention it and I'll try and get that done for you. So today we are going to be changing these wing mirror lights on the car, and we're going to be changing them for DRL lights. So we need to change this. So basically we've got our package. It comes today, and what comes in here is two of these. They come in black, so this is it. Going to be changing them, and get a little opening tool and your little alien key. So let's get to it. So first of all, you need to open this up. So I'm not entirely sure how to do it, but I'm gonna give it a go. Nope. There we go. Right. Oh, yeah. Sign just fell out. I believe this was already cracked, hence why we just went to go and change this. And there you go. That's off. Simple enough. I believe there's a few allen keys in here. Take that out. It's a state. It just flashes in this corner. Okay, so we've got 3 alien keys, and they've provided us with an alien key to take them off. And one's here, one's there, and we've got another one there, and that should release the whole light mechanism. So we're gonna go with this one first. Next one. Simple enough. Last one. There's this one. Can get it in. There we go. And that should come out just like that. Just take that screw before we lose it. And come over here. As you can see, you've got power lead that powers the light, so you just got to take that out somehow. Not entirely sure. Yeah, give it a wiggle, and there you go. So right now we need to take that out, and that should just drop that light fitting out and change it over. not sure if they supplied us with new screws. That should just come off or something. Oh, there's a little. Okay. And voila, old one. Not entirely sure what that is. Get the new one. Peel that back. Yeah. Doing that. And that pops on there like that. There you go. So put one of these screws back in. Yeah. Some there like that. Come back here. Oh yeah, then pop that back in there. The power supply. Pretty tight. Pretty tight, but so now we've got the bottom plate on, so we just got to put back the mirror. It's heated, so we've got to plug these in. Next one. And plug that back on in. Like that. And that should just clip on there. Take the mirror out. Don't want to break anything. There we go. Job done. As you can see. So I'll turn the hazards on. go to the other one that we haven't changed. On this side, see the difference. So join us once we've changed our side, and yeah, and there you have it. Pretty quick, simple, good little mod. Highly recommend this mod. Thanks for tuning in. If you want anything else, please recommend and I'll try and bring it to you guys. Yeah, check out the cold start on the next video.